Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to restore the tabs that already opened before closing the browser accidentally, and you don't want to close that, so you lost all the windows that is already opened on your work, on your dedication, and your tricks that you are working with. Easily you can restore it, open it once again, even though you are closing browser or closing your computer. So all what you need to do, guys, I will just pressing any things that need to go with. I will just go here and I will type the Intel platform, which is tracking crypto. So here there is 3 windows that already opened accidentally. I just close the browser. So all what you need to do, just I will open here, I open the other user, and there you go. So all what I need to do to restore the 3 tabs, I will just Control Shift T, and there you go, guys. You got all your windows restored, opened before the last one, before like the closing the windows. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Peace.